She looked like she only got about like 5-10 more minutes left of life. Hey guys, it's Chellina Achol, the Sudani mommy. I am doing a productive vlog today. You guys are just gonna come with me on a Sunday. It's kind of like my Sunday reset, but I want to be hella productive. You know, my semester just started, and I just got a meal prep today. I'm actually starting off with going with a walk with my friend. I'm at the Gold Medal Park here in downtown Minneapolis. I haven't been here in a long time. They closed down the Izzy's over here, so I'm just like, what business do I have? Izzy's was like it's right there. Where by the park are you? I don't know what side I am. What side of my location? This is like the earliest I've ever gotten up on a Sunday. And after this, we're going to church. Then we're going grocery shopping, and then we're meal prepping. Oh, I also have to do my nails today, so I'm going to show you guys doing that. It's going to be a very productive day. I'm glad we started off early, so I know it's going to be. I have a million things on my list to do. I usually have a million things to do, but it's harder to do when I wake up, start late. But I hope you guys enjoy spending the day with me. And if you're not already a Chichi, please subscribe to my channel, join the fam, and let me know what kind of content that you guys like to see. I'm still a growing vlogger. More of my stuff is like hair content based, but I want to do a little bit of hair and also just sharing my life. So just let me know what stuff you guys like to see. Bye guys. I just got out of church. It was really nice. The service was really good. We talked about anger, so that was cool, and like moving and working through anger. And I'm just like, I always think of anger as like a secondary emotion for something deeper. I'm like, I don't have any anger, you know, move past it. I like to think of myself as a graceful, forgiving person. But then I was thinking about my siblings, and I do have a lot of like resentment and anger towards them, but it's more or less, it's not really anger, it's kind of abandonment. I kind of like drafted a text message in my head about like wanting to just forgive them for that, but I don't know. I might journal about it for a while first before I tell them. It was a pretty I don't know, I would say, I don't even know if I want to share it, but like a dysfunctional family dynamic I grew up in. So it's kind of everybody fended for themselves. And I don't really like that at all. Kind of forgiving them for that, for leaving. Great. There's always a bunch of old people at church, and I'm like, where's the youth? And this elderly lady, she looked like she only got about like 5-10 more minutes left of life left, and she coughed. I'm like, oh my god. I was like, I don't even know if she's gonna make it through the service, but it was. Other than that, it was cool. Talking about anger, I don't know. That's just something I need to reflect on for a little bit. And I really don't like hanging on to anger, because I know what anger does to people, and I don't like lashing out or even being mad about anything. But next up, I'm going to go to Whole Foods right now. It's close by. I'm just gonna run. I want to try the brown butter like iced coffee that everybody talks about. I've seen it on TikTok a little bit. I'm gonna try that, and then go home, make a smoothie, clean up a little bit, and go grocery shopping. But I think before I go grocery shopping, or even before I clean up, I might lay down for a little bit. I'm tired. I'm tired AF. It's 12:30, and I've only been up since 9. But I think the fact that I do have a bed close by, I get really, really like ready to go knock out. So yeah, my goal right now is to make it home and not fall asleep. But I think I might just like unwind a little bit, watch some YouTube or something, and then get back to business. But that's not as productive as I'd really want to be. But you have to schedule and rest too, right? Right? I scheduled a reel to be posted, and it never went up. And the only option they gave me is to delete it. It's like, they wouldn't even let me post it manually. And I already like preloaded everything. I was so irritated. Fuck Instagram, bro.
You don't let the darkness surround you.
I'm back home now. After church, I went and grabbed the coffee. I went to this cafe in the North Loop. It's kind of close to the Whole Foods I was at. And they make a brown butter latte as well, which is good. I've had it before. But I wanted to try something different. I'm always like a sucker for trying something good, different. But I'm like, why mess with a good thing? I did mess with a good thing today. I got the rosemary latte too. It wasn't bad. I think it was just really subtle. It wasn't enough flavor. So I'm going to just make brown butter syrup. Brown sugar syrup. I'm gonna make a brown butter sugar syrup to add on top of my coffee. Let me show you guys. Here is my coffee. I already had like half of it, and I also took the ice out that was in there because I didn't want it to be watered down. So I might add another shot of espresso in this and some latte and that brown butter sugar. But yeah, then I'm gonna make something to eat. I still haven't eaten all day, which is crazy. I went and laid down, like almost fell asleep, and coffee kind of suppresses my appetite. Some avocado and toast. As I'm eating my afternoon breakfast, after eating my afternoon breakfast, I'm going to plan out my content for the rest of the week, plan out what grocery stuff we're going to go buy, and plan out school homework for this week. I have an exam this coming Friday, so I'm going to start studying for that. And then just whatever bobbins or bips and bobbins and stuff that I need to do for this next week. My house still isn't set up since I moved it. Remove the shackles of Africans that don't have home decor. And, oh, that's what else I want to do. We're gonna do some online shopping, order the supplies for that, and I want to order a vanity mirror. I had one vanity mirror I got from Amazon. It wasn't bright enough and it was big as hell. It wasn't that big, and my room is tiny, so I can't have too many big things in there. I have a digital planner that I rarely use, so we're gonna break that in. This productivity vlog is forcing me to be productive. First, let's get this coffee going. I made a mistake. Don't be like me. If you're making your iced coffees, you're making your own syrup, make sure you add your syrup to the espresso and then mix that up together. Turn it like a little sugar. Oh, crystallized. Haha, there you go, chemistry. It crystallized a little bit, but I think it's pretty much all dissolved, so it wasn't too bad. But this is good. I have some group projects due today, but we're taking turns with like who submits it. We already did it this week, so I just voted for my poll in that. Let's write out our grocery list maybe, so I don't forget what's in the top of my noggin. I usually put it on my notes app, what's groceries I want. It's writing a new note, and then we're putting it in list form. Let me screen record this and then I'll put it right there. First things first, I want to get that Creole seasoning, eggs, bacon, almond milk, wraps, shrimp. I don't have it. I don't have that at all. What are we eating this week? Kind of want to make zucchini noodles with frozen tuna. I think I might want to go to Aldi. Those tea biscuits are always really good. I need Earl Grey tea. I need vanilla syrup. I'm not buying things unless I know what I'm cooking. I'm making a chicken curry today. I have the paste and I have the chicken for that. Should I get some red peppers for it? I don't know why I feel like I need red peppers. I have to figure out what I'm eating for dinner tonight. I think as soon as I've eaten this, like, I have to be hungry to get my creative juices flowing. I've been craving mashed potatoes and like rotisserie chicken for a while. So I'll get some broccoli or asparagus. So I can eat that for like 2-3 nights. And then another dinner. I always love having frozen pizza on deck when I'm feeling lazy. Thin crust because it's still moderately healthy. That's what I need. I need cauliflower for my curry because I'm making my own cauliflower rice. I'll show you guys how I make that, but I also have shorts on here of how I make my cauliflower rice, so I'll link that. I want mango. I have some apples, but I've had those apples for 2 weeks and I've eaten apples like 1 apple a day. My coconut yogurt. I have like a coconut yogurt that's supposed to give you like the ice cream fix and it's low calorie. Coconut vegan yogurt. I might go to the Cub on Lake Street because that has Cub Foods, Target, and Aldi all in the same like strip mall, like corner area. Not strip mall, but like same vicinity. Don't ever go grocery shopping hungry, and don't ever go grocery shopping without a list, and don't ever go grocery shopping without looking inside your fridge first. Yeah. So now I'll show you guys planning for the week.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Wanna be down with what you go. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be
Okay. Yes. I'm only at like half battery though, but I ran out of storage on my last flash drive. Shooting in 4K, you know, for the vibe, will really fill up your card really quick. I went to Target to go buy a new one. I almost wanted to go to Best Buy because I have a Best Buy credit card and I have a bunch of rewards with them, but they're really far away. And I still have a lot of, you know what Target does, price match. So I looked up online to see if Target would have one for me in store, and I went to the store and got one of those and price matched, and I saved like $16. It's like $38 at Target, and it's $22 at Best Buy or Office Depot too. Just a little life hack for you. Always try and price match whatever you like. And then I ran here across the street to this Aldi at 7:51, and they close at 8 o'clock. And I just wanted to buy frozen tuna for sure, because I know this is the only place I'd be able to get like my sushi grade tuna for really cheap, which I love, by the way. I'll give you guys a grocery haul when we get home. The Goya cookies, I got bacon, cauliflower. I got a good amount. I'm trying to be healthy and drink more almond milk than oat milk. We got shrimp, we got frozen tuna, we got the Goya cookies. Okay, I got a good portion of the stuff so far, and we are going to go to Target and and I don't know if I want to go. No, let's go to Cub Foods and grab the rest of the stuff. Yeah, we're gonna go to Cub Foods because I only want to go to one store. I know Cub Foods is a little more expensive, but we gotta do what I do.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and deep. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You feel like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to touch it up though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a down and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird verse. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and deep. Anybody who got eyes can't see.
All done with my day. I am now about to drink some sleepy time tea. It's a combination of Wild Harvest. I'm running out of energy. I went overboard. Oh, and I took that nap in the middle of the day. That's definitely slowed me down. I'm really glad I did that planning part in the middle of the day when I was in that little lull after church and going to get coffee. And I went to like 3 different cafes. Other than that, I'm really happy I accomplished everything. I haven't taken my vitamins in a long time. I have like a really strong gag reflex, so that always makes me uncomfortable. My camera is like blinking at me right now, so I'm really nervous it's gonna die anywhere in the section. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, please subscribe. Let me know what other content you guys would like to see. I'm still a growing channel, so join the fam. It's Chellina Achol. Love you guys. Bye.